5 days, one training program from kickoff to graduation, from theory to hands-on practice, the second PERI SNTO Aluminum Formwork Training has successfully concluded. The instructors used professional explanations to break down the key points of aluminum formwork knowledge, installation procedures, and drawing reading skills, helping the supervisors quickly master the techniques of aluminum formwork installation and removal. Integrating theory with practice, the supervisors participated in on-site project observations, gained hands-on experience with formwork removal and installation, and mastered core skills through practical application. Meeting review and discussion were conducted to tackle technical challenges. This was not only a summary of 2025, but also a brand new outlook for the coming year. A graduation certificate bears witness to 5 days of learning and gains. This training is not only a bridge for technical exchanges between SNTO and PERI, but also a new starting point for promoting the coordination of global aluminum formwork standards. In the future, SNTO and PERI will join hands to empower the development of the global construction industry with efficient, green, and high-quality aluminum formwork.